This video covers how to perform a clean uninstall of TerreSculptor version 1 Standard and Professional. The files to be removed include the application program, the configuration INI, and registry entries. If you chose to manually install TerreSculptor, navigate to the folder that you copied the application files to and delete the files and folder. If you chose to install TerreSculptor using the Setup program, run Windows Control Panel and choose to uninstall a program. Locate TerreSculptor in the list of programs to uninstall, select it, then click on the Uninstall link to remove the software. When prompted with the security message, choose Yes to uninstall. Close Control Panel. Next, we will delete the configuration INI file. In Windows Explorer, navigate to the Users, Your Username, App Data Local folder, locate the Demenzun Media Inc. folder, and delete it. Next, we will delete the registry entries. In Windows Explorer, locate the Windows folder, run the regedit.exe program, and click Yes on the security screen. Open the H-key current user key, then the software key, and locate the Demenzun Media Inc. key. Right-click on it and choose Delete. Exit the registry editor. You have now completely removed all traces of TerreSculptor version 1 from your computer.